Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Decide whether you want code from a tutorial, GitHub repo, package, or AI assistant. Choose sources that match your project goals and license needs. Install Python 3.11 from Python. Org or use a package manager like apt or homebrew. Follow the installer prompts and verify the version using Python version in your terminal. Create a project folder and initialize a Git repository to organize your code. Use clear folder names and a README to document purpose and usage. This foundation makes retrieving and running Python code consistent and repeatable. Create a virtual environment with Python env and activate it. Activating isolates packages and prevents conflicts across projects. Install dependencies using pip install r requirements. txd or pip install package == 1, 2, 3 as needed. Pin versions to reproduce results and avoid unexpected upgrades later. Use git clone to copy repositories locally and check out the correct branch or tag. Inspect setup. Py or pip reject. Toml to understand packaging and entry points. These steps ensure the code you get will run reliably on your machine. Run scripts with Python script. Py and check console output for errors and stack traces. Reproduce issues by creating minimal examples and adding print statements when needed. Use a debugger like PDB or an IDE built-in debugger to step through code interactively. Add logging with levels and timestamps to capture runtime behavior across environments. Fix errors, update requirements, and commit changes with clear messages. Share working code via GitHub, GitHub gist, or a pip installable package for reuse. Provide usage examples and a license to help others adopt your code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.